Hey, I just got back from this web conference tonight, and they were talking about some new web technologies on the horizon and things like that, and really exciting. So I wanted to make a little video just to share it with you guys, the readers of somethingcliche.com. But probably a lot of you are familiar with using Ajax, using Flash, even HTML5. You hear about all this stuff, but this new one, way better, way more powerful. We're under NDA to not talk about it really, but I'll give a few details. Just don't go post it on your MySpace page or something like that. Try not to get me in trouble too much. But anyway, this new technology, essentially, it's going to right through your web browser. It's going to give you direct access to operating system functions. So like I can make a web page, I can connect right to, the viewer's computer, see what programs they have installed, see what kind of files, tailor my website direct for that viewer, to enhance their use of the website, make it really custom for someone. Really great. I guess the code name for this is they're going to call it like ActiveX, something like that. I don't know what the final name is going to be yet, but yeah, we'll just call it that for now. But yeah, essentially this ActiveX, Microsoft's coming up with that. So even the other advantage is it's only going to work in Internet Explorer, so you don't have to worry about all these other browsers out there that no one uses, and we can just focus on the one platform that 98% of people use. Don't have to worry about Macs or Safari, whatever. No one uses that, like what, 2%. So we can focus on IE, which is very cool. Few guidelines they threw out, in terms of designing the web page. So one of the things, they came up with a way to kind of, if you imagine the web page and divide it into like a grid, they came up with a pretty cool way where they're going to call it a table tag, I guess, but you could take that table, do a layout of your site, 2-column, whatever, and then say you wanted to split that column, you can just put another table within that one, and so on. So if you want to make a really complex layout, just keep putting in tables, nest them as deep as you want, and we got this grid on our page, perfect layout. And then the next step will be to put this ActiveX controls in there, give us full control of whatever we want to do, and it's all perfectly secure and stuff. They assured us of that. They said the technology is going to be around minimum 12 years, 12 to 14 year lifespan. People are going to use this. Businesses are just going to embrace it. They're going to just stick with Internet Explorer and using these technologies, because there's no reason to switch to any of these other browsers, because it's such a powerful technology. So, but anyway, that's just a little heads up of what I learned when I went to this conference. So just wanted to pass it on to you guys. So, but don't spread it around too much. All right, thanks.